Welcome to my channel Global Car. If you love discovering the newest, fastest, and most exciting machines hitting the road, make sure you're subscribed because today we're diving into something truly special at the 2025 Ferrari 296 GT, a masterpiece that blends Italian craftsmanship with electrifying modern performance. The 2025 296 GT continues Ferrari's evolution into hybrid-powered supercars, but with a design philosophy that stays true to its racing DNA. From the moment you see it, the sleek aerodynamic curves, aggressive front profile, and signature Ferrari LED lighting make it instantly recognizable. The body is sculpted to slice through air with precision, enhancing both stability and performance at high speeds. Under the hood, the 296 GT features a hybrid V6 powertrain that pushes out breathtaking power. Ferrari combines its twin-turbo 3.0-liter engine with an advanced electric motor, delivering a total output that rockets the car from 0 to 100 km/h in just a few seconds. The hybrid system not only boosts performance but also allows silent electric-only driving for short distances, giving drivers a whole new level of flexibility. Step inside and the interior is pure Ferrari elegance, a minimalist, driver-focused, and loaded with cutting-edge digital displays. The steering wheel integrates most of the controls, giving the driver a true race car feel. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and high-precision detailing bring luxury and sport together in perfect harmony. On the road, the 2025 296 GT offers sharp handling, lightning-quick gear shifts, and an exhaust note that reminds you why Ferrari remains the king of emotional performance. It's not just a car, it's an experience. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Ferrari 296 GT, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting car content.